Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be learning some strategies of Vikings. So let's go and find the Vikings and let's see some strategies for Vikings. The match load. This map can be a lot of fun, so make sure you stick around till the end to see what strategies I have. Okay, so this one can be a little bit tough. So what you would want to do is go here, and then if you have, you cannot make a fireball right here, but if you have the sniper, you can go on the dragon's head, and you may be able to be there. So I will keep trying, or maybe I will just go a little bit closer. Yeah, you can also go like this if you're strong enough. And then you could just make your way around there. And there we go, we made it in the hole. So that's one strategy I use for this map. And if there's sticky ball, you could stick at the side where there is acid. So this can be tricky because if you hit over here, somewhere over here, some players will try to kick you out. You could go at the top, and if you have accuracy, you can use it so nobody can knock you down and go down here nicely. Then you have to be careful of this acid right here. So you could hit at the top of the wall so you don't hit the acid. That's what I do. So now you can just make your way in there. And now you can actually go toward here instead of going in this spinning thing. Like this. And make it in the hole. That's my second strategy that I will be using. So this one, you can't go on the dragon's head over here since they're acid. So instead of just going like this, maybe like bounce off the flag. Like this and like this. So make sure you don't hit too hard, because if you hit too hard, that's what's gonna happen. So make sure you hit with not too much power. Now you can go either way. I will go this way to demonstrate. So now you will just want to go here and make your way down. And that's another strategy. So that's the strategies.